In today's video, I'm going to give you a short and to the point masterclass on how to dropship on eBay as a complete beginner in 2022. I'm Roger Betker and I've been dropshipping on eBay for the last 4 years. And this is one of my stores where I managed to make around 41,000 pounds in the last 31 days, which is around $45,000. I joined Ahar and the Zeke team 2 years ago to help the community grow and succeed. If you enjoyed the content in this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to me and to everyone in Zeke. Now, let's jump into it. And these are the 5 steps you need to take in order to succeed. First, sign up on eBay. Second, find suppliers. Third, find winning products. 4, list items. And 5th, maintain a healthy store. So, ladies and gentlemen, to register on eBay, sign up on eBay, you go to ebay.com, and then you simply, on the left corner, you click register. Once you do that, you place your first name, last name, email, a password, and then you create an account. From here on, it's really straightforward. Now, there's one thing that you have to keep in mind. Just make sure that you put the correct details because eBay is going to validate all this information. And if the information is incorrect, it could ban you and you could ban your store, and then it's very difficult to open another store. I recommend to use an existing eBay account if you have by any chance. Do you? But if you don't, it's also okay. What you do is you sign up, you create an account, you create your store, but you don't list things right away. What you do is you spend a few days browsing over eBay, adding items to your watch list. Just act as a real customer. This way, it will be nice. Once you start listing your products, you'll be under the radar. And once you start listing your products, don't list them too many items too quickly because that will call eBay's attention in a bad way. The algorithm will go crazy. Look, everything comes down to that eBay doesn't really like when you open an account and then you start dropshipping right away. Once you have an eBay account set up, you have to start finding suppliers that you want to work with. One of my favorite retail suppliers for ebay.com is Walmart. It's fast shipping in the USA, great customer service, big variety of products, and it's very beginners friendly. Their website, everything is beginners friendly. A tip I would give you is to look for products over $35. The reason is that you get free shipping when items are $35 Walmart price. Now, I'll show you a strategy to find winning products to sell. All right, let me show you the strategy to find winning products to sell. So the first step that you do is you actually go to Google and then you look for Walmart brands. And I'll explain to you why. Oops, caps lock, but it's all good. And then you go to Walmart, list of Walmart brands here, and then you have many options. And all these brands are exclusive from Walmart. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna select one of these brands like Mainstays here, for example, and we're gonna look for Mainstays in eBay. And then we're gonna find sellers selling products, Mainstay products, which is Walmart products, using Walmart as a supplier. I recommend the brand is Mainstay, so you copy it, you go directly to Zeke Analytics, to the product research tool, and you paste Mainstays here. Now, let me just talk a little bit about Zeke Analytics. So Zeke Analytics is a product research software that I recommend everyone to get. I mean, everyone that wants to do a proper product research to find winning products on eBay, you should definitely use Zeke Analytics. And you can sign up for Zeke Analytics for just $1, and I'll place the link here down below. And let's continue. So what I did here, after placing Mainstays, I see sellers that are using Mainstays, and as I mentioned before, Walmart as a supplier, and you can even use dropshippers only filter here. So these are all dropshippers, and I would recommend to find sellers. Select sellers that have this, like the logo here, Walmart logo with a check. It means that Zeke found this exact product on Walmart. So what you do is you scan the seller. So usually when we use this method to find competitors, they will have a lot of Walmart items. You come here, you click here on the item finder. You can save to a folder. You can select a folder. You can add a new folder. For example, let's just write here Walmart items. You create a folder, and then once you do that, you save it. Select the folder Walmart items, for example, and then you save to a folder. And then you can look here, Walmart items, and the item will be here for you. Now, before showing you how I list the product to my eBay store and what software I use, let me show you one more option for automated product research. So what I will do is I'll go here to Zik Pro, I'll click Autopilot, and then you come to Autopilot. Now, this is a great tool for people that don't have time to do the whole manual product research, or people that want to scale their business. But what you do is you click here, New Scan, you choose Walmart as supplier, and here I'm going to just put Walmart for YouTube example, right? You choose sales, at least 5 sales in the last 30 days. There are many filters here that you don't really have to worry about it right now. And then, of course, you go for a minimum price of $35 to gain the free shipping that I mentioned before. And as a beginner, you don't want more than 10 products. So here you can choose the number of products you want to find in the results. Right now, as a beginner, you should not list more than 10 products per day. So I'll go for 10. Once you do that, you click your scan and the results come very quickly. As you can see, it has been completed. And then you go to Walmart and then see here, and then you have the eBay photo, you have the supplier photo, you have the eBay title, you have the supplier title, you have eBay price, supplier price, sell-through, successful rate, sales, competition, profit, and return of investment. Now that we have found all these winning products, we're going to list them to your store. We are going to use a lister, and a lister is a software that basically pulls all the data from the supplier that you're using and uploads directly to your eBay store. I'm going to show you the integration that Zik has with AutoDS. You come here, you select, let's say I'm going to select just, you can upload them all, or you can just select one of them, upload selected. Once you do, it appears upload to your lister. I have here, it's ebay.com. I have the store. I'll keep the title and I'll simply upload the listing. And what's going to happen is stay with me because it is going to AutoDS directly. And then once then you go to AutoDS, I'll show you how it works. All right, so here it's probably on drafts. You see, it's on drafts right here. And what's cool about it is that you can edit the titles, like the tags, everything. You can edit the description. You can have the variants. You have the images and the item specifications. And for the title, you can also use Zik Analytics Title Builder tool. It's an amazing tool to optimize your title. All right, and once you're happy with it, you can save and you can import. Once you import, it goes to your store. As you can see here, the progress is pending. I just want to show you that it will jump to products. Once it's ready, it's going to be here with all the information. And what's cool about AutoDS is that it will monitor the supplier's price and it will make sure that you are always in profit. And the main benefit of using AutoDS is that you're going to be able to set up auto fulfillment, which means that you're not going to have to copy and paste your customer's address and name every single time you make an order. So this is pretty cool. After you have listed your products and start making sales, it is crucial to maintain a healthy store. Basically, it comes down to good customer service. And there are 6 things to keep in mind. First thing is to send a message to the seller right after the sale. Also, send a message to the seller with correct tracking number when the product is shipped. Another thing is to handle open cases quickly. Also, answer questions about products with precision. Fight for a positive feedback. And lastly, cancel orders correctly. I'll put in the description section the message templates that you can use for all these cases. Before we finish, I just want to take a little bit of your time, just a little bit more, to emphasize the importance of canceling orders correctly. If by any reason you need to cancel the order, you must make sure you do not cancel the order for an item being out of stock, because if you do that, you will get a defect and this will have a massive effect on your store's performance. What you need to do is to cancel by buyer's request. In fact, let me show you how you can cancel orders correctly. first thing you do, you come here to orders, and then you click orders. Then you select the order that you want to cancel, and then you click this little arrow here. And once you do that, it's going to open many options, and you click cancel order. You have 3 different options here. What is the reason for your canceling, right? And you have out of stock or damaged. You have buyer asked to cancel. And then you have issue with buyer shipping address. Now, this is the important part. You will not select out of stock or damage, and you will not select issue with buyer shipping address ever. What you're going to do is going to select buyer asked to cancel. And the reason is because the out of stock and issue with buyer shipping address, normally you have to send proof of it. And as a drop shipper, you normally don't have that kind of proof. So please just select buyer asked to cancel. This way you will avoid eBay giving you a defect and damaging your store's performance. So once you do that, you select it and then you simply click submit. So these are the 5 steps you need to take to start dropshipping on eBay. If you have enjoyed this video, please consider liking it and subscribing to our channel. It means a lot to us. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. And remember that the journey of 1,000 miles starts with 1 step. Lao Tzu. So keep moving forward and see you next time.